guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanessa. If you are new here, Happy New Year to everyone watching. This is my first video back in 2023, I believe. So I just wanted to film a little just inspirational, motivating type cleaning video where I did a quick little cleanup throughout the day, cleaning up after Christmas. I think this was the 26th or the 27th, so right after Christmas. I had all kinds of stuff, gifts, dishes, just everything. Actually, you know what, this is the 27th because my husband was working that day. So anyway, I just figured I'd take you guys along with me while I clean up the house, tidy up a little bit. Ellie was sleeping for this video. She was napping, so just figured I'd tidy up. I had some energy. And you guys don't know this yet, but guess what? We are expecting baby number 2. So it will be very evident once you see me in the frame that I am pregnant. I'm actually 7 months pregnant, so we are expecting a baby here in a couple of months. And we are so excited. It is a little boy this time, and we feel so incredibly blessed to be welcoming another baby into our family. So that's so exciting. When you hear me throughout this video, I'm going to be out of breath because I am just totally feeling it this time. Yep, there I am. So yeah, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you find it motivating. I hope you all had a great holiday, and let's just get into the video.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, and that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart.
It is that time of the year again where we got a new Lovevery play kit for Ellie. She is so excited about this new play kit. It's the companion, ages 22, 23, and 24 months. There's so many great toys in this play kit, like there are for all of the play kits that we've received so far. These toys are amazing. They are designed by experts. especially for your child's age and developmental stage. So you can be confident that you're giving your child a really safe toy and a really educational toy. That's what I love most about Lovevery, and it's really easy to get set up with a subscription. You can just go onto the Lovevery website. I'll have it linked down below. You'll put in your child's date of birth, and then it will let you know what play kit would be appropriate for your child. So I'm just going to show you guys a few clips of Ellie playing with the play kit. We had just opened it up, and I didn't even show her what to do. I just unboxed this toy in particular. It's the wooden pegs, and she just started sticking them in, and she figures it out. It's so rewarding to see her figure things out on her own, and it just makes me really happy as a parent to give her toys that stimulate her in the right way. Good job, Ellie. Good job. Ellie's having so much fun with this mosaic button board. She's just filling in all of the buttons. I think the intent is to match all of the buttons to the colors. So we will definitely work on that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll definitely work on that. But right now she's just having fun pressing them.
Yeah.
And filling it in. Is that so much fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. And she also had so much fun filling in.
Yeah.
Yes, she figured that out all on her own. I just put down the little post, and she just started sticking them in the stand.
Yeah.
Good job. That's yellow.
Yellow.
Yellow. And do you know what color this is?
Yeah.
What color?
Go.
Green.
Go.
And what's that?
Go.
Orange. Very good. And you put it in an orange slot. Very good.
Oh.
Orange. Very good, Ellie. Isn't that so much fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. Very good.
Go.
What color is that?
Go.
Red. Red. Good job. Can you reach? Should Mommy turn it around? While she's playing with that button board, I'll just show you guys what else we got in the box. I love that they all come with a book. She always loves these books because they're realistic and she sees real kids on them. This one is Graham Turns 2, which is perfect. Ellie's turning 2 in just a couple of months. Looks like it's his birthday party. We've got colors and some really pretty pictures. Awesome. So we'll read that. And then they always have the pamphlet. Sorry, let me undo it right here and I'll show you. Okay, it's a little bit later now. I just waited till Ellie went to bed so that the house was quiet so I could film this clip and you could hear me. But I wanted to quick show you all the play guide that comes in each of the play kits. This one is specific to the companion play kit, which is what we got. It's ages 22, 23, and 24 months. I definitely recommend checking out the play guides in your play kits and not just throwing them aside. They have some really great information. Of course, they'll tell you how to play with the toys and how to best play with the toys and what your child might like doing with them and all that kind of stuff. But there's also some great information in here just about developmental info. So we all know that our kids hit milestones at all different times, and it doesn't matter, you know, what the kid next door is doing if they're the exact same age as your little one. It just, whenever they're ready, they're ready. But this gives some great just direction and some ideas like on kind of activities that you can do with your little one or things that you might observe that they're interested in. And it gives me like some ideas just like how I can incorporate Ellie into like my chores or like the things that I'm doing, and she might find them fun. So I definitely recommend checking out that section. And then this is all about the playthings, so all the toys in the play kit. And I apologize that I'm so out of breath, you guys. I am struggling. I don't think I was this out of breath with Ellie until I was maybe at least like 8 or 9 months pregnant, but I'm 7 months and I am struggling. And then the last section in here is activities. So these activities have really nothing to do with the play kit itself, but just other activities that you might find fun to do with your little one at home. And these are always really fun to look at too. What else is in the box? Let's see. Do you want to play with this?
Yeah.
Yeah? Look at this. Buckles. Buckles, here, let me show. I just told her the buckles are like her baby stroller. She's like, no baby stroller. No baby stroller. So this is a fun little pillow. It has all different types of buckles, so I just undid a few of them. And let me see if she can figure it out. I'll obviously help her. Help. Ellie says help. Look, it might be hard for me to do with one hand. Hi, Rosie. Oh, Rosie wants to help you too. There we go. Can you buckle it? Ellie, buckle. Push. Push. Almost. You almost got it. Almost, Ellie. Yay! Good job, Ellie. Wow, good work. Is that a meow meow? What's that? Is that a cow? What does the cow say? Moo. Moo. Look. Is that a cow? Pig. Dog. What's that? Is that a monkey? Monkey? What does a monkey say? Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. That's right. Pig. What does a pig say? The pig says oink, oink. Oink, oink. Thank you again to Lovevery for gifting us this play kit. We appreciate it so much. If you are interested in checking out Lovevery for your little one, I will have all the information linked down below. It's super easy to get set up. Like I said, you'll just put in your child's birth date, and then you can start getting play kits every 2 to 3 months with toys that are perfectly designed and curated for their age. I promise that you will love them as much as I do. I've been so blown away by the play kits every single time. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I'd be happy to answer.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way.
All right, everything is all cleaned up. That actually didn't take me all that long at all. It's only like 1:15, and I think I started around 12:30, so about 45 minutes to get everything just kind of back in order before it becomes a mess again, because I want to take down the tree. So many of the pine needles are falling down. You probably can't see it, but every time you like walk by it or bump into it, like 50 pine needles fall off. So it's just time for it to go, which is sad, but we've enjoyed it for the past few weeks. I got the table cleared off. I got this candle for Christmas, so I'm going to light that next. We're almost done with this one. This is actually from the fall, but it's been taking a while to burn down, which is great. It smells wonderful. I know I didn't really get to show you guys my holiday decor this year, but this is what it was. It was pretty minimal. It looked better once it was, you know, all in its right place. I got all of our Christmas cards, which I love. These little trees light up, which looks really, really pretty at night. And then we had this advent calendar that Ellie really enjoyed, moving Santa every day. I got this from Hallmark Super cute. And just tidied up the living room. Ellie's new box of Lovevery toys are in her room right now, so I'm gonna have to go through our toy storage and just reorganize a few things and maybe pack away a few things for the next baby to make room for her new box. But we're happy with how this looks. Sorry I'm so out of breath, you guys. But this has been really helpful in keeping the toys organized. I know it's still not amazing looking, but the toy bin wasn't, she kind of just outgrew that, so that's in her room now. So that has more like soft animals and, you know, soft toys. But anyway, now she can see what she has. Have all of our toys lined up here. She got this for Christmas. She's really enjoying it. It's by Melissa and Doug. All her Lovevery toys that she loves. She reaches for all of these the most often right now, but we'll swap them out with the new box. Some more things that she got for Christmas. She got a little baby cradle that she puts all of her little babies in and says goodnight to them. It's very, very sweet. And that's all cleared off. And then the kitchen. I didn't clean the cast iron pan. I'm gonna leave that for Steven. I just don't really feel like doing it, to be honest with you. But yeah, that's everything. Nice little quick tidy. House feels good. Gotta get our Christmas decorations down and get ready for the new year. You wanna say bye, Rosie? You wanna say bye? Bye. Oh, she's so sweet. So sweet. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Happy New Year. Hope everybody had a great holiday season. Can't wait to see you in the new year with hopefully some more content. Wishing you all the best and Happy New Year.